Hey everyone and welcome to Simple Tasty Recipes. Today we are going to prepare ginger coffee. This ginger coffee is a home remedy for cold and cough. Now the pandemic coronavirus is going on and this coffee can protect us from cough and cold. If you like this coffee, like and subscribe to Simple Tasty Recipes. Vessel, add 1 glass of water. Add ginger. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add milk. If you require sugar, you can add. Let it boil. Now our ginger coffee is ready. Ginger coffee is ready to drink.